Just badass. You like it?
Sick as fuck. You think if I took a picture, like with his license plate and like this and tag him, he'll repost it?
Not with the blades.
Why not? Or just like this?
Just like at the front of the car or something. There's a wobble girl around here?
Yeah. Look it down.
How far is it?
It's you know where the Home Depot is on Foothill?
Nope.
Where the Sam's Club was.
Nope.
A minute. I would cut it. Maybe put some more tape on it.
More tape?
Cover the whole face of it. Give me some heat. You're already good enough. You don't have to put a lot of heat. You still have to heat it. Warm it up a little bit. No?
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing you can do about it. It's just...
My stomach's like...
Oh, you got a kiss soon?
No. I just
You do?
No.
Oh.
Nachos? Like
Keep
nachos?
trying to eat healthy. Andale. Your body not used to it.
All those greens.
Yeah. All those greens and shit. That's what they call them, greens and shit.
Got some stuff.
That's all you gonna do is shit.
Eat the greens, and then you got
That's how you're gonna do the bumper by yourself.
For what?
You're gonna do the bumper by yourself.
Why?
Why not?
Man, his noodles are gonna get cold too.
Yeah, man.
Crazy.
I need to put like pre-frills everywhere, no?
They did it.
Well, I would think we had to put one here,
They did it.
here,
They did it.
here.
We're not wrapping this.
Oh.
We're just wrapping this.
This is the one you posted that they didn't wrap it good?
They were doing the wrap inside. They didn't wrap.
So-
I don't think they put it like that.
It was a glass bar.
They left the gloss by? Yeah, I didn't know.
You weak muscle. No, weak muscle.
Damn.
Imagine having a kid like that that just like makes fun of you all the time. You know what you're talking about, right? Funny. No, look up like kid with scary laugh.
That's for sure, D'Angelo, huh? Heads? What?
I mean Siri, flip a coin. No, bitch. Hey Siri, flip a coin.
Heads?
Heads.
Damn,
Which
teriyaki?
one? Let's go in. You want that?
Not yet.
Oh
Or
my-
wobble girl.
Let's go to Wobble Girl, whatever.
Like, wobble girl? They don't even have noodles.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to
I know.
then.
I haven't been to wobble girl in a minute.
Let's go then.
Or teriyaki.
Teriyaki, we're here.
Whichever.
Let's go.
Or wobble girl. Damn, okay, it just sucks because they don't have fucking noodles.
So we have noodles here.
So let's just go to both. Noodles from here and then the food from over there.
Am I being pranked?
Wobble with a snack, don't you?
You wanna go to Wobble then?
I haven't had it in a minute.
Oh, let's go
I don't
then.
even know if it's not good.
It's
what
like,
what is that
it's
shit
like
at?
whatever.
What's better?
I think this.
Okay, then let's get this. I remember Wobble being low-key like whatever. Oh.
You're gonna get hypothermia.
Hypothermia?
Yeah. It's cold. I don't know what it is. I can't stay up late.
Really?
Like, I'll be so tired.
Me too, but I mean, ever since I was a kid, I always had like insomnia.
Oh, really?
So like, even if I was tired of shit, like I couldn't sleep.
You guys sleep with the light up?
Yeah. I can't sleep like just dark.
I love the dark.
Cause when it's just dark, I'm just there like looking at the dark and just like thinking. It's weird.
Looking at the dark.
Yeah. I'm just like, damn, it's fucking dark in here. And then my brain starts like imagining things.
You ever see something in your room and your
Chill.
brain Like, say you have like a chair with things on it, and your brain starts like.
Because it's dark and it looks like a fucking creature.
It starts like creating these images in your head of what it could be.
Oh yeah, all the time. That should be funny too. Like I'll put a podcast and I'll wake up and it's like a whole different channel, a whole different
It'd
video,
be like
a whole different.
Animal Planet.
Yeah. Watching sharks.
Me.
Yeah. Wait, what?
I wake up on the first ring.
Really? You're like a sensitive sleeper?
Or like,
Oh.
what the
Shit flashed me.
I wish I kept a like dream journal. Dude, because I've dreamt about a lot of things and they've happened.
Yeah. Like it'll happen, you're like, I for sure dreamt about this.
No, literally.
Yeah.
Lucky
That would be sick. Actually writing it down and you can just go back to it?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm gonna do that. I heard lucid dreaming is not good. Because
Lucid
supposedly
dreaming?
since in another dimension, like, since you can control things, like it's...
Yeah.
You know what lucid dreaming is, right?
I think so.
Basically, like, you're aware of your dreams and you control your dreams.
Oh.
That's what it is. Have you ever dreamt about something and it actually happens? Like what?
About.
Has that ever happened to you?
Really?
Where you're like, I know I've dreamt of this.
It's called deja vu. It's that crazy.
No, like I.
But like
can-
actual dreams.
like actual dreams.
That doesn't exist.
Dreams?
What is that thing called too where like when you're asleep, like your body wakes up but your brain's still like asleep and you're like stuck there.
Sleep paralysis.
Yeah, that's just scary. I've never had that happen, but
Then how do you know?
because in that podcast I was saying they talk about that.
No, you know there's sleep paralysis monsters.
Yeah, like someone's watching you in the corner whenever that happens and you can't move. Your eyes are like awake but like you just can't, you're just stuck.
Hey, why do they call him Opto?
That's his name.
Because he's Optimus Prime. Said that.
You said that?
Yeah. No, I was like, because he's Optimus Prime.
And then I was like, it's also trying to get pictures. He asks people, and then he'll be like, when they're like about to like fight him, he'll be like, I have melatonin. What's wrong with you? He's like, I'm asking if you want to go to sleep.
You want to get put
Nah,
to
I
sleep
already
right now?
slept, my boy. You want me to put you to
You wanna
sleep
get
right
put
now?
to sleep again then?
It's a
I'ma
yes
ask
or no
you-
type of
I'ma ask
question,
you
my
the
boy.
question.
Okay, what you got? I got
No.
melatonin over here.
Did you put the other side already?
Yeah, the what? This? Nah, you're doing that. Do all this, all the middle, we do all the finishing. Teamwork makes a dream work. And then send me what you want and see if I can find it.
So this gray Tesla came in for a color change wrap. The color is satin flip psychedelic. We wrapped the whole car. We did the emblems in satin black. And yeah, but this car is for a very special person of ours. They're gone for the weekend and we just finished it in a day for them. That's about it. So the Psychedelic, without the sunlight, it looks gray. But then once you come to the other side where the sunlight's hitting, you get like a rainbow color.
That looks sick.
Yeah, this color looks good in Teslas. We got these two. Did powder coated rim on both of them, gloss black, and just tinted the 2 front windows on both cars. Or I think, yeah, we tinted 2 front windows, both cars. About to wrap them up and take them back to the clients.
Jeez.